forgot my head mount. So y'all will be, I will be POV driving like this, man. No cap, but you know, we got all the cars out, man, not gonna lie. It's looking crazy out here. It's looking real crazy out here. Here y'all guys go, man. We got the first POV drive with a car meet, man. Oh. Boy right here in the 5.0. I think he got full bolt on, headers, all that. This shit sounds crazy. YouTube, we are back. Hold on, let me buckle up. But yeah, we got the first car meet. This shit kind of crazy, man. But nah, we got a little cruise. See what it's talking about, man. I really don't know what to say. Dang, it's been a minute, bro. I'm sorry. It's been a minute for the POVs. You know what I'm saying? We got our first car meet on the channel. And we finna see how this go, man. We got 5.0s, Hellcat Durangos, Hellcat Chargers. Everything, man. It's really crazy. Some crazy cars out here. We got foreigns, we got some Supras, and don't nothing beat the American. No, I ain't gonna lie. We got bikes, all type of shit, man. Look at that line up there. Ooh, that shit look crazy. It will be more content coming with this Mustang right here, man. You know, we're gonna turn up. And for me as well, I got some mods on the way, can't say too much. Gonna give y'all a little surprise. See if y'all fuck with it, man. But we got hella videos coming back to back to back. I'm finna start dropping back to back to back for you guys, man. Like, I'm really finna grind this shit out. Show you guys, you know, I'm really about this content shit. Look at that line up there, though. Oh my goodness. They got everything out here, man. I will say I'm really just in a blessed position to be able to acquire this vehicle. More vehicles to come. Y'all know Trackhawk on the way. But yeah, I'm really finna start pushing out content for you guys. Y'all let me know in the comments down any video ideas y'all want to see. Was that him? Was that him popping? No way. Hellcat Durango up there, bro. That Hellcat Durango is so fire. I ain't gonna lie, if I didn't already have 392 Durango, I would go Hellcat Durango. Like, but y'all know I'm finna go Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. I got to, bro. I mess with the boat. I really call it a Titanic because it's really bigger than a boat. But Texas scenery. We got a bunch of farm, land, cows. But yeah, bro. We just got a nighttime. Oh my God. We got a nighttime. Finna be nighttime. Dang, bro. Nigga, be quiet. That nigga shit is loud as hell for no reason. I'm finna tell this nigga let me get in front of him. God damn, I can't even talk. Anyways, we got another sunset POV drive. If y'all know, y'all seen the first sunset POV drive with the Hellcat. This time we in a 392 at a car meet, man. And the lineup is crazy. Alright, y'all boys. I done got in front of the 5-0, you know what I'm saying? His shit a little too loud for my liking, man, but we still here with the content, little launch for y'all, boy. Woo. Back, man. I had to get in front of, bro. I ain't gonna lie. His exhaust was pointing toward me. I could not hear y'all, but we back. We got the back road scenery for y'all, man. Let me know if y'all fuck with the scenery. You know, we got, sometimes I'll go Dallas scenery. Sometimes y'all might see the East Texas scenery. We finna pull up to a lake right now. Just let me know how y'all feel about the scenery, man. I'm always down to switch it up for y'all. And let me know what y'all think about this, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with the car meet, fucking with the cars, all that.
Last one. They don't mean it, he just act tough. They don't care how little they touch on. Damn right, I'm high as hell. That's how I'm man this. But I hope just one more break will show some answers. Even though it's gonna be hard, you gotta man up. You too close to that line to throw your hands up. I'm too damn filthy rich to entertain ya. Same kid with the same heart. I just spit your damn crib on a plane watch. Bottega frames, we don't see the same size. Two hoes at the same time, I come pick my fave one. But when that day come, we gon' pay the same price. You out your damn mind, you ever try that back talk? If I try this car, like I'm flush with that just fall. You play my guy, that's some shit that I can't laugh off.
know you don't want this shit. YouTube, this is gonna be the end of the video. Let me know what y'all think about the car content, the little car meetup, man. This is my first outro. I ain't gonna lie, I be skipping the outros, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's my fault. I be ending the video randomly, bro. I'm sorry about that, but you know what I'm saying, we doing a little outro. Finna get some Whataburger, man. And yo, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know if y'all got any ideas. I'm always down to do some new shit. So y'all just go ahead and comment, drop a like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I'm gonna catch y'all boys.